Okay, welcome, and welcome indeed. Well, I've introduced this segment to you, that is countdown segment, and you very much know that we have finished counting today. Today, this is the last edition of Countdown to March 17th, because today is 16th. Tomorrow is March 17th. Okay. So, I go Mazi Nwankwo, Honorable Commissioner for Public Utilities, Mazi Nwankwo. Na good morning, Anambra ABS.
Thank you very much.
No, really.
Aputamola.
The Kwamawoko. I got funded the guy in one of the Nambo. You got to go when I was pay Mandibo. No. Yes. I be the way go back even before March 17th. I be the way go back. Can do if governor I make a balo since I be do. Can do if I na tuanya my banyozo. Mana dika onye commissioner banyalo no kwa mbe do this government. Do na mana you know na science and technology by ebido.
Yes.
You got to go. Mana let's say we move to. Mana kai never go down and na science and technology. When we feel can chetalo. If you could, my experience in my phone now, that's ministry, science and technology.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Okay. I be the lolo. You know, I was in science and tech. Then I did a few things there before waiting a ban knock it out. If I could remember, the first thing I did was deal with the issue of Sand Beach. Then Sand Beach, the revenue I went in there then was about
Sand Beach,
yes.
Okay.
All
fall under your ministry.
Yes. Then, so the revenue I went in there per annum was about 1.8 million. So, when you come in, information keeps coming to you, you know. So, I try to manage the information very well. You know, you know. But eventually, luckily for me, I went for an event in Abe, His Excellency in Aguleri. So I met one young man. He happens to be the person doing such thing in Port Harcourt, you know. So where see I can do, then were a lot of money there. There were a lot of opportunities in that, you know. A consultant, not consult from the River State. So we say, okay, that's fine. Can you come up with a proposal, which he did, and eventually, let me call it short because of time. So eventually, Obona. Even the ministry now, then were 23 sand beaches in Anambra State, you know. So by the time Nwankwo be with his proposal, were about 200 and something. You can imagine. You know, so you know, Van Hassim no, now if I just discover some, no, there's a 36. You know that they can increase the money, the revenue to 8-point-something million. I just kept calm, so because what if I went information then when money so eventually disengage all of them, senior demand. So to the extent that we had to go to, you know, to get approval from IG, I went in support the police. So to cut it short, eventually what the demand was, the first thing on me 11-point-something million. A month. As
against 1 point.
As against 1 point a year, and 8 points. That is in Afagana a year.
God.
So eventually, he graduated to increase there to 26.
Jesus Christ.
So by the time the last thing on me was 32 million
per month.
Per month. So all these things about, you know, Enyamaka, or should I say, the hard work of this administration, led by our governor, to improve on the revenue. That's number one. Then number two, we built kaolin factory, which I did was na Karafia and Ubo.
Okay. Kaolin factory.
Kaolin, in a partnership within the federal ministry. So because now, farmer bought some equipment then. So again, but the equipment is dolly now somewhere, waste. So eventually, I reactivate a lot of the factory. So I was now the process of, installing the machines and all that before I left. Then another thing I did was to do Kaolin bo if this inzu ejuwele me materials the raw material so if I put if a process then give it the people that want to produce those things yeah sure okay. the people that manufacture those things will now buy it as raw materials.
All ministry again alone by the Kaifana Sina Uzere in Tiaga. Governor Obiano Bobido only about 4 C's over can continue, complete, commission and commence.
Well, what the fine at the next 4 years I abata. Yotago. So Kaina Bakanaya Kedu Maka Ologe na ministry moves from science and technology to utilities.
Okay, thank you. When I came in there, the first thing I started was I had this belief now the light of the nation, Anambra State, can be realized. Having discussed with my principal, Nyabo Governor, look, that if Muja Malife, Begeme, Kandianambra, Nwankwo, and why na father Nwankwo. And what will make Anambra to be Ezibo light of the nation and one Ekumakia. So Ebana
TV or
part of it. Our concept to His Excellency.
Okay.
So Nisi Obudana Abuja, Jefunde TCN and DPSN. In Nigeria, all Nigeria for information in men went here. So I Jeff with Jeff and information if I get me code and they to a baggage with Boko. First of all, I was informed now I got Keba. Then well about 22 megawatts they use, which I am. Then when Ojiriva about 10 megawatts I am. So the first thing I did from consultation we're going to say I get we walk with Anambra North. Because already in this Nando, Ibariam, Aguleri, all those areas, Anambra, part of Anambra North, I didn't walk since. I just walk for 1 month. And then when Odeka just lantern, Okufana Bebu from our Donisha. By the time only to video drop go. So eventually I had done the Oko Dobayana about the changes here from me went from our that is about 10 megawatts we get about Oko Boko. Then after that I bid with Urumba North and South. I'm sure Nuna and Gomaka. About 31 communities.
North and South. Because I know I know not by the time I not know they on a dino. So numbers not spinning to get you buying. Well, where Tony on a fine you. Or them.
Then okay. I think it would be nice to Imago card the mother water sea firm.
Okay.
Then I don't want from Oji River, which we have some challenges between Oji River. Eventually, the two governors, Nyalaka, resolve one. I don't want 10 megawatts to Urumba North and South. 31 communities, Nwankwo. Then we work for 7 and 11 years. And when Nwankwo today, not less than 15 hours a day, or less more, Nwankwo from National Grid, you know. And one of those communities, Bumelia 31, Obo, from Karafia, from Abia State, which Bosiana commissioned, they brought 2 cows for Onyeisianya governor, you know. Very happy.
Really?
Yeah. Sinafach was even there Anambra anyway. Then the third one, Bolo from Awada.
So far.
Is that?
Performance of that installations?
No, it's ongoing.
It's on 52.
15, not at least 15 hours a day.
Yeah. Or include what transformers in there? No,
this is Okwawado from Oji River substation for about 47 kilometers. You might say a pole. I take the pole from Oji River substation, door the wire. We guard the whole Karafia, Urumba North and South. So if you don't work, you know, transformers be a different thing. Then the same thing from Awada. That was the last one, from Awada, because Governor the Poise car they North and South, were industrial areas. Kafa may improve. I don't know about 18 megawatts from there. Second feeder where Japan pass through them milli, but then I know be. Okay, it's for all those people on affair and walk now. And,
all the money that the administration will go into place in the second time. It's light up operation.
No, what we are doing is a continuous process because though we've done major part of that covering, in if we're going to cover the 3 senatorial zones. Do you understand? Because like now, Bariam Nando, all those people, Abatasi, when we say up to Nzam, Anambra West. And when the last one I know now, from and when they were born at all.
Street lights Casif walk on your car, on the child, but there's so many areas.
My side in Navy.
Yeah, in my street lights, behind the other one on our wagon now, I found out rural electrification. Street lights is a different ball game, you know. So
ministry.
Yeah, sure, we did it. It's all part of it. I'm the rural electrification. Then. The one I am now, from Eziagulotu, from Utuacha to Eziagulotu, Fenwe Boko in their life before.
Okay. So I will come back to that because time natural so street light transformer able to say or now street light and all the rest of things. I don't know how they get transformers.
No, transformer is about rural electrification. Why do you transformer? And the people now alone no more. Yes, and people now alone no more. So transformer the boom. I'm sure no gonna me experience. Maybe your area, one person. I'm not gonna talk. I'm not gonna triple off. I seen that dinner pay. Obroko kewe. If maybe not go overloaded, or the go overloaded, you have to go by the transformer. So transformer is to balance the load, so that obona, you know, all the go overloaded. It's a transformer well for the new area and so a balance here so that all could be all this stable.
Okay, for want of time, you know, because now you're going to speak as a citizen on Anambra. I'm areas you got government at new na second term Anabako and wake Gani Anambra name
Kahaga in terms of my ministry, or
generally,
okay. Let me start with my ministry. If the way we do it is that we have a platform. The data line what the problem is in terms of behind one alo, you know, or yes, I am rehabilitation of boreholes in the whole state. Let me go the first phase now. About 31 communities are rehabilitating go there. This Mandana manage. But after I remember, I hand you over to community. I wrote up to few people and I'm manager, so all this sustainable. All able, I mentioned I said I first and then I buy this more you know. Then the government now, like here and my ministry, system agent and what information where what the problem is.
Like governor, okay, if one of the
boreholes. Commissioning of one of the boreholes, you know, in partnership within the EU. The Anambra #1 partnership on the EU. We always pay our counterpart fund. Let me go now 30 boreholes new Akamecha now. Governor Gafeje for commission.
No doubt the governor has done a lot. I go by Nyama, I got that. So, for the second time tomorrow, Biko. Could you feel a wish here, and then if you wish from the Anambra State?
Well, if they wish in the Anambra State, first of all, support. Well, should I not wish? But let me say, let them give the government support. Then protect every government in our law, so that our law a kabayana B, bayana C. Call the balloon, not by D, and not ever to A. And so to any way, stay go. The governor in the way and I will make. They can any phone. But they can have the madness in a public utility law. Jogo will say an aspen and laws, no worry, fellow. Oh,
so
how many percent? Why am I saying this?
Thank you very much.
Or be difficult for you to
satisfy him because I got what you think as I know where by far. You got to remember say inauguration.
Okay.
We are thanking you very much for coming.
Dalun.
Yes, thank you. And then we'll have to go, my people, so that to be able to take the news as 10 o'clock.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, all the crews and everybody that made it happen today. God bless you all. We'll be here tomorrow, like we said. Do remember to join us tomorrow morning for the inauguration proper. God bless you.
Bye-bye.